I think I got cut off before, but I'm just going to keep it. How are you? I am outside because my dog pretended that he had to go outside, and now he's just sitting on the edge. Oh, no, just kidding. He just got off the edge of my deck and now is sniffing around in the dirt. Anyway, I hope things are well. It's not as sunny out today, which is unfortunate, unless it makes it a little bit easier for you to take care of businessy, schooly sort of things. Here's what I would like for you to do. Today is the day that 60 pages are due in your writer's notebook. Yeah? So, what I'd like for you to do is sort of actually conveniently listed over right here. Prove that you have those 60 pages done. You can either employ a parent or guardian, or you can drop in during the little office hours and do a like flip, 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 and show me that way. But because I procrastinated a little bit over the weekend, I haven't downloaded all of your. Also, there are some people who have not handed in their movies yet, their screencasts, but I have not arranged them into the handy dandy little YouTube clumps yet to make for easier viewing. So expect that. Well, feel free to pester me about how that's going if you drop in during the hours, because that's what my job is to do today between answering emails and all that sort of stuff. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're having technical issues, hopefully you've tried to get back to me and I have gotten back to you, but also remember that the help desk is there because they are there to fix or at least attest to mysterious questions. So maybe I'll make sure that there's a link to the help desk and Bill or Mr. Poland can maybe come to your aid. Hope all is well. I think I already said that, but I really do mean it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.